Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Take it out.
Lesson 2.8. Troubleshoot Google File issues in Canvas. If you have trouble displaying or accessing Google Files in your Canvas course, you might want to try the following. Select Account, Settings, scroll down and find Register Services. You will need to remove the register service, and you will also need to remove the app. Hover your mouse over the register service, check to see that it is the @cvuhsd.org account, and then remove it. Click OK to remove it. Scroll down and find Google Drive LTI, hover your mouse over the trash icon and select Delete this token. Confirm to delete it. The next thing that you will need to do is open up a new tab. Confirm that this is the only account that you have open and select Google account. Select Security and scroll down to find Third-party apps with account access. Select Manage third-party access. You will need to remove the Canvas, and you will also need to remove the Google LTI by Canvas. To remove, select Remove Access and select OK to confirm. Select the Google LTI by Canvas and repeat the process. Remove access. Click OK to repeat. Once you remove the access, you will need to completely shut down the computer and restart it. I'm going to close all these windows and then restart my computer. Select the option to shut down the computer. Now that you have restarted the computer after removing the tokens, select Account, select Settings, scroll down and find Other Services. We're going to re-enable your Google Drive account. Select Google Drive, select Authorize Access, select the @cvuhsd.org account, and allow. Return to the course where you had trouble and issues displaying Google Files in Canvas. My teacher has embedded a Google file in this page. Scroll down and authorize the access to Google Drive and select Authorize. Select the @cvuhsd.org account and then allow. Now I am able to see the files that my teacher has embedded within Canvas. In this example, my teacher has embedded a Google Cloud assignment. I no longer need to authorize because I authorized it in the previous file. If your teacher has enabled Google Drive in the course navigation, you can also view your Google Drive files. I hope this training has been helpful and informative. If you have any trouble at any time using your Canvas and Google accounts, don't forget to contact and let your teacher know. Your teacher will provide help resources and direct you to the right resources to receive help and support. Happy learning!